Welcome. We are Barney and Buddy, the roofing guys. I got a special guest today. I don't know why, you know, he's new here. We have a new ham-fisted salesman, Mike Lillibug. Welcome.
Close, but thank you. I appreciate that.
No problem. They forced me to do this with you, so
Sure.
So what do you do here, Mike?
Well, I am in technical sales for West Roofing.
Wow. How long have you been a salesman?
Since January 3rd.
Okay. So I got my buddy here. He's kind of my associate, and he goes around and finds some, you know, what people are all about, kind of like a private investigator. So he come across a few pictures I got to show you.
Okay.
Realizes I know where you came from, so, you know, it's kind of funny. We do these things quite often, and, you know, I figured out where the relativity comes in, or relative you want to say. Now I see who he's related to. This is our kid's picture. You know, I knew it right away. Unbelievable. Another family member.
Two peas in a pod. Right?
Yeah, that's for sure. So, besides that, what are the other things you do around here? Because I know you're not a team player, because every time I go to the get a water, it's sitting by the refrigerator. You know, we're a team here. We expect everybody to chip in and even change the toilet paper, which you don't even do. So
Right.
It's pretty obvious you're special. You know, I must call you Mike West, or, you know, something like that.
Well, unbeknownst to you, I've changed the water several times. Toilet paper, not my deal.
Oh, but you use it.
I wasn't the one to use it.
You know, nothing worse than going in there. There's no toilet paper.
Right.
Ain't like at home.
Right. Well, aside from being part of the sales group, I try and learn as much as I can from everybody. So I've been, you know, whenever I can, I'm getting out with all you guys, you included, Ryan, Ronnie.
Hour and a half for 300 square feet.
Hey, that's right, buddy.
You better get it.
Hey.
That's all I'm saying.
Poised to make tens of dollars, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
But no, and you know, I want to help out wherever I can. You know, I'm picking the brains of the production group, picking the brains.
I know
of
he's got a lot of hot air.
Right.
Sorry, buddy.
So yeah, just learning as much as I can, trying to contribute as much as I can. You know, I mean, even shoot, I was told to be, you know, look professional today, and I figure if I want to be the best, I got to learn from the best.
That's a good one, buddy. You look like a traffic cone. That was a good one, buddy.
Well, worst case scenario, I could stand out in the parking lot and make sure I can direct traffic.
I come across another picture, and this is funny. It's a good one, buddy. I don't know how you are two places at once, but I see you must have been out in the woods cutting some timber, and Chris probably crying about his back or something, but, you know, got you carrying him out. What a friend you are, or brother, whatever you call yourself. Unbelievable. So, you know, like he was saying, you know, me and him went out a few times, and, you know, I had Buddy in my back pocket. You know, I take him everywhere. He used to stay with me till he did some things we'll talk about later in a couple episodes, but, you know, I take old Mike Lillibug here, and, you know, this is what he tells me. We're out looking at this roof, and he says, "What is this, a roof?" I said, I about lost it, you know. "Who hired you, Chris?" So, you know, that's all it took, see?
Yeah, just making sure we're on the same page with that.
This one, I wasn't going to use this one, but Buddy told me, he said, "Hey, I found my shadow. I thought I was better looking." You know, it's like, and he's out here trying to be a salesman. I'm doing all the work, and he's looking at himself in the water. Unbelievable. So, you sold anything yet?
Sure.
I hear crickets.
Right. In the works, buddy. In the works.
Man, they're giving you a lot of leeway, because when I was here, you don't sell a job in a week, you're done.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. So, what do you like about sales?
I really like the interaction with the customer. In a past life, I was able to interact with the customer, worked with them very closely throughout most of the projects I was involved with.
I didn't ask for a resume. I just said how you like to say it.
I like it.
You know, you're hired, so you don't got to use the resume spiel anymore.
I like it. It's good. It's fun.
And just for everybody to know, he's never going to be like me. You know, he's trying to dress up like me, but I told him there's no way you're going to be like me. Go ahead. What else you're talking about?
I like sales. It's fun.
It's fun.
Right.
I don't know what you're thinking. Yeah, you're a newbie. That's why.
No, but in all seriousness, you know, the team here is great. Everyone's been pretty supportive, and like I said, interacting with the varying customers is it's pretty cool just to see, you know, the different buildings and what people are expecting and stuff like that.
Stuff like that. So I still want to know why haven't you made a sale yet? I mean, you told me you were top dog at the other place, and then you come here and it's like.
I think what I did tell you is I was a dog at the other place, not necessarily top dog.
I'm impressed right now. This is the first time I've ever seen you talk without your hands. That's why I call you hand-fisted salesman.
Right.
You know, gotta go this way. Gotta do this.
That's right.
This.
Directing traffic, man.
That's what you are. A school guard. So, how long do you plan on working here?
As long as I can.
Doesn't look like very long where he's going. So, what intrigued you about spray foam polyurethane roof systems?
Well, I think it's definitely a.
You know, that's what you're selling.
Correct. Wes has been in business for a while. I think they've really excelled at applying this product on a very.
Well, no. I mean, what do you think? We wouldn't be here talking right now if we didn't do that.
Right. But it's definitely a product that I think can go far into the future. I think a lot of buildings and different structures are going to benefit from the versatility that this product offers.
I sound like a car salesman. Okay, beside that point, where do you want to see yourself in the next 5 years? Besides the broom closet where they got you stored right now.
There's a good spot right next to Ronnie that looks pretty good.
You can have it. That's why they put me by the front door, first one out.
Right. Hey, I just want to continue to be a top contributor to the team, man. There's a lot of good things going on here, a lot of good vision for the future. I want to be a part of it.
It's not an I in team, you know. When the water goes down, you fill the water jug.
There's no I in team, buddy, but there sure as hell is a me.
You know, we got Grant down there. He's a newbie. He's doing the water. He's doing the coffee. You know, he's making it work. That's team effort. Starts here and then it goes out there. You got a lot of work ahead of you, son.
The other day, I think I was loading the water and writing up a proposal at the same time.
No, you weren't. You were talking about it. That one that you've been talking about for a week and a half and finally got it out. Man, that's not. You gotta move faster, buddy, or get out the way. Well, I appreciate you showing up, wasting my time and Buddy's time. I hope you make it. I don't know. Me and Buddy been talking. You know, we can wish you luck, but. Probably see you on 6th Street here a couple weeks from now. Thanks for wasting my time. Thanks for tuning in.
Appreciate it.